That is a fancy gate for.
It is a fancy gate. Put a little. Call it something later.
Fucking nerd millennial.
Fucking text.
Yeah, well,
You'll thank me for this bullshit.
You're close enough to being a millennial.
You'll thank me.
You're at the tail end of X.
An Xennial? I have heard that before. That's nice road.
Mike Allen and I are OG Xers, so. Huh? Oh, well.
That's cool. Used as a hunting cabin, and then deer rescue there shortly. Great little valley area here.
I'll show you the creek. We got a mile of creek on this property. The creek went dry at the end of the summer last year. First time ever. So we had less rain this year. My guess is the creek's probably going to go dry. Okay. And there's another spring by a
872 acres. There's one parcel, 2, 3, 4 in Mendocino, 1, 2 Lake County. And you can't subdivide these two, but you could combine these 4 lots. These 2 lots are, that's it. These 4 lots you could combine to make 2 lots out of them. You can combine the Mendocino lots if it will benefit you in any way for ag easement or ag development. But this is not an agricultural property.
Yeah, they got it all measured out.
There's another one down at the bottom.
Oh wow. Yeah. It's like a lodge, like a hunting lodge.
Yeah.
It's
Dude,
real
I
nice.
wasn't expecting it to be this nice.
Well, almost $1 million. You want something nice. School wolf right there.
You get set up. Put a little solar in there.
Dude, I want to get grandma on the rocker. There we
I
go.
want to leave a bunch of stuff up here anyway.
Rock in there. Gotta have the gun case.
So they have all the fixins.
You gonna do the duty in here and make sure it...
I'm gonna go pee on the fucking side of the hill. That's what I'm gonna do.
And they have an outdoor shower.
Hey, this is pretty fucking cool.
Got 2 hide-a-beds here.
You know what's missing is a refrigerator.
You got the bar. Well, you're not going to have a refrigerator up here.
No.
You'd have to have solar power running all the time to keep it.
I have a mini ARB fridge for
But
my
you could
Jeep.
run it while you're here, but
You could put solar up here with a Tesla battery, and you'd always have enough.
Yeah, just get some
power and
lithiums.
utilities in here.
Not a bad view, boys. And I like this too, here, you know. Chow time. Or no, maybe the other way around here. Chow time, Mark.
apparently people want to come up here and hunt. Probably.
I know my brother-in-law would be here in a second.
I mean, you can get them hunting. I mean, unless you know, if you want, you gotta.
Oh, okay. So he's got his equipment here.
At least some old shit.
Got a couple containers that Mark was jonesing for.
Oh, look at that Jeep.
Oh yeah, little CJ.
6 lilies. Same year I was born. What do you think?
I think
10, 15 grand?
15. What that thing's worth. And that little 303 is probably, I don't know what the hours are on it, probably $12,000 machine also. An older one. It doesn't matter how old they are. You know, the problem is that up here,
The hydraulics?
everything's got to be carb compliant now. But up here, they're not going to.
Nobody's gonna mess with you up here.
Yeah. Those tracks could use a little.
Those are fine.
100,000 miles on it.
Really?
There's nothing wrong with those tracks.
2010.
So what do you have to do to make them smart
Well,
compliant?
you got to put a muffler on it. And what that does is
Nice little orchard. Apparently they leave it open so the bears can just come in, otherwise they just knock down the fence. Said there was some water over here. Old vines.
I just hope we don't have to walk back up.
Yeah, it'd be good for you.
Yeah, not everybody will have to walk back up, only the heavy ones.
Right. I forgot, what's down here?
Creek.
Oh.
Got a mile of creek, Tyler Creek.
Are you getting nailed too?
Yeah,
me too. Eucalyptus is growing right out to
That's Manzanita.
Manzanita.
Yes, I was lucky to be in the middle. Thank you.
What's that, Pat?
I said I was lucky to be in the middle. I thought I was getting the raw end of the stick.
Yeah.
I'm doing all right. Just fine.
Poor Alan's probably, Mike are getting tore up. You'd even have to take it easy with a quad through here.
Oh yeah.
Man, I can feel that weight.
Probably don't normally take 5, huh?
Nope.
Now, oh yeah, I hear the creek. Oh yeah, got a little.
There you go.
Oh wow, they come down here when it's super hot, because it can get real hot out here.
Oh, for sure.
You can see that's part of the property across the creek.
Okay.
Last time I was here, there was a bunch of newts in.
Hmm.
I don't see any today. Those newts have got some kind of a thing on them, so you don't want to be picking them up. We're right there. Right there.
Okay, so it goes from all the way up here
To all the way.
to right
Well, yeah.
to here.
Yeah.
Got a good shoe. You're gonna take the transmission out. That thing.
Oh, dude, it was getting hot, and it, like you could,
tell.
smell.
Yeah, and then he's going over those rocks.
Yeah.
It's like an old vacuum cleaner.
It's a relic, Mark.
It's a disconnect box
Oh, is it?
between the soil, and that's so you could actually. I grew up out in Petaluma, and where all the chink coops were on Robar Road,
Yeah,
by
bud.
Fulton Road.
Yeah, it's not that easy to get on there.
No, not with all, not in all those rocks.
Old fish.
Ain't no thing.
You know,
Right.
I'm like, yeah, there's more
look at this
stuff
view.
out there.
That's the,
8, but it was all straight uphill. But at least it was a wide trail because it's they got to get to the tower, communication tower.
sure.
Didn't have any, but I thought it would be me a that's
Damn.
Okay, this is where the guy.
see those two towers when I
Empty
sent you
this-
those pictures when I was hiking. That's where I hiked.
Right here.
That's the one I.
What are you looking at? Oh, the shells.
Cartridges all
9
over.
millimeter.
I just put them in the back. So how far does this property go this way down there?
So it's all this.
Yeah, all the way back.
No, you hold that mic.